Alright guys, what's up? Solo. Yeah. Now today's actually a different type of video. Today we're actually going to be cleaning the chain off my bike. Which is chain service. Oh yeah. There. Okay. Well, let me get all this fun stuff. For you guys, just as a new package. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ooh. Actually seeing like silver on the chain. Wow. Yeah. I just feel so bad for this bike, bro. Like, this is from the chain, guys. That is from the chain. Just, wow. Alright. And, hold up. Okay, boom.
Oh, they like don't go, Jill. That up all right there.
Ah, damn it. Hold up. I gotta make sure what gear, you gotta see what gear it's in.
That's what we gotta fill it up all right there. Go,
I'll say it.
Go, Jill.
I'm having so much fun.
That's official on that boy. That is
She trying? Hold up.
Don't look at me like that.
Ooh, shit. What, Kimco?
Don't look at me like that. Come on, dear. It's not that deep.
She needs to come back. Damn.
Don't hit your leg doing that.
I'm not.
Ain't it supposed to rain?
Hold up. I'm just gonna click her down and click this back. Shit. Come on. Push up, baby. She, like, you heard her. She's trying. Ooh.
I saw that black stuff right here.
Huh?
Saw that black stuff right there.
Oh, that was from the chain. Look at the chain now. Look how clean she looks.
Oh, yeah, you clean that bit off?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Got a kit just for her. Oh, shit. Say, she's trying to tip. Come on. Hold up. Okay, yeah, she's in neutral. Shit.
You getting somewhere.
Come on. Come on.
Don't hit it, man.
Come on. You're not dying. She trying. She's trying hard. Like, I know you hear her. Hold up. No. Okay, I had it right. What could be wrong?
It could just be it ain't been started up at a fat ass man.
True. Once it like gets on, we're just gonna let it idle. Like she's trying. Let's start, bitch. Come on, hunk of junk.
Don't be mean to her. Well, it worked with you for a little bit.
Look, I'm trying to make a little recording out of this. I'll say I already got the chain cleaning part that I wanted. I wanted to also start it for the people. You think you could be a homie over here and quickly press the stop button because it's been recorded for 20 minutes.
Fucking 20 minutes.
I'll be so dead ass. Oh yeah, come on.